Why private AI exists. These days, it feels like every conversation with leaders eventually gets around to AI. Not whether it's important, most leaders already believe it is. The real question has been, how do we take advantage of AI without giving up control of our data? It's a fair question because your data isn't just information, it's years of experience, it's intellectual property, it's customer relationships, it's operational knowledge. In many cases, it's your competitive advantage. We don't believe organizations should have to choose between innovation and control. We believe they should have both. That's why we have a private AI platform that resides within our private cloud, giving your organization the ability to leverage AI, all while ensuring your data remains yours. Your knowledge stays under your control. Your policies remain your own. Your competitive advantage stays where it belongs, within your organization. Because AI should help organizations become smarter without asking them to give away what makes them unique. If CloudSource ever has the opportunity to help you begin that journey, we'd be grateful for the opportunity to earn your trust.